beautiful people, my name is Jackie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I make videos that help guide you towards a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Right now, as I'm newly married, I'm still learning how to make our house cleaner and more beautiful and peaceful, and it definitely makes us feel a lot happier when the house is cleaner and healthier, especially nowadays. So today I thought I might share with you all how I'm currently cleaning my kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you all what I'm doing, and feel free to clean along with me as well. So let's get on to the video. First thing I do is actually turn on my robot vacuum so that it can clean the floor of my house while I'm busy in the kitchen. This vacuum is so convenient because it saves so much time and gets the job done. Next thing I do is the dishes, and it's not my favorite chore to do, honestly, but I know that I have to get it done, and I make sure that the dishes are clean by the end of the day as well. I basically took all the dirty dishes that were in the kitchen and in the house, and I dumped it all in the sink. As I'm washing the dishes, I like to watch something on my iPad to keep me entertained. And at that moment, I was watching Jennifer Aniston and Lisa Kudrow talking about their career and Friends because I love Friends so much. Next, I'm taking a little vinegar and putting it on my sponge mixed in with some soap. I wash inside of the sink just to make sure it's extra clean and sanitized. Some days I'll go ahead and put Clorox inside my sink, but those are for the days that I do a deep cleaning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tables and counters of the kitchen. I pretty much put everything aside so that I can wipe my tables. I use a multi-purpose cleaner with 8% hydrogen peroxide to sanitize everything. And I also use I think it's called Myers multi-purpose spray as well. And I know that hydrogen peroxide also kills COVID, so that's great. Alright, this part is so satisfying because I do not like seeing clutter on the table as much as possible. And when I'm cooking, I like to know that my food is on a clean surface as well. Now I'm taking my sponge and cleaning my stove surface. This removes the extra oils and food that were left over from cooking. I like to wipe down the whole stove, even the knobs, because those places can get filthy as well. I can't figure out how to take off the knobs, but when I do, I will definitely hand wash them. I used the hydrogen peroxide solution to wipe down the oven handlebars and pretty much all the knobs in the kitchen. With everything going on in the world, I have to make sure to sanitize everything as much as possible. Next, I'm just putting away some of the snacks in the baskets, but as you can see, my vacuum actually pushed my tripod, so sorry about that. So now we are in the fridge, and I already cleaned the inside of the fridge a couple days ago. However, I'm just removing the things that may have been in the fridge for too long. For a clean fridge, you might need to do this at least once a week so that nothing spoils. Now I'm just cleaning the lid of the garbage container just so that it stays clean and sanitary. I don't like seeing any food stains or dirt whenever I open the trash can, so I like to clean it every once in a while. Alright, so now I'm sweeping the floor before I mop it. And yay, the vacuum just sucked in all the particles. Okay, so my camera didn't film what I put in the bucket, but it's just water, a little vinegar, and a dash of dish soap. I took a towel and now I'm mopping the floor. I know it's not ideal to do it on my hands and knees, but sometimes I just feel like I can thoroughly cleanse better when I use my hands. However, my back started to hurt, as you can see, so I switched to using my feet to mop the rest of the kitchen. And now I look crazy. Typically, I actually do use a mop, but this time I just wanted to do something different. And that's it for now. I didn't entirely deep clean the kitchen, but I definitely feel more at peace with the space. And after this video, I'm going to rearrange my cupboards and my drawers so that's more organized. And let me know if you'd actually like to see a video on that as well. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. I hope that this video helped guide you as you're cleaning your kitchen as well. And again, I know I'm not perfect. I'm not the perfect wife yet where I can clean the kitchen amazing, but I'm still learning, and I just love to have a clean home, a home where I can feel at peace and I can feel like my mind isn't as cluttered, because usually in a very messy space I just feel like I can't breathe. So I'm still learning, but I love it. And also in the comments down below, make sure to tell me what other videos you'd like me to film, because I love making videos and making you all happy. So if you'd like, please subscribe and click the like button down below, as well as the notification button. And I will all see you again soon. Bye!